تحية للجميع. مرحبا بكم في وصفة لذيذة. Hello everyone, welcome to Delicious Recipe. Today I'm going to make Batbout. So for this recipe you need 1 cup of water, 3 grams of yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix till the sugar dissolves. Next, add 1 cup of flour. You can use all-purpose flour, but I'm using wheat flour. Mix it well and rest the mixture for 10 minutes by covering with a plastic wrap. After resting the mixture for 10 minutes, add olive oil. And 1 cup of flour to make it into a dough. Next, transfer the dough into the kneading surface and knead for a good 10 minutes. Put it into a bowl and rest the dough for 1 hour. Take the dough out and do not knead the dough. Put it into a bowl and rub olive oil over the top and rest the dough for 2 hours. Take the dough out and divide it into 2 pieces. Sprinkle flour on the surface and roll the dough. Don't roll the dough into too thin nor too thick. Next, cut the dough into circles. Rest it for 10 minutes. After a good 10 minutes, heat the tawa over a medium heat until very hot. Carefully transfer the Batbout to the tawa and gently turn Batbout until they have puffed with air and are browned on both sides. Please like this video, comment, share with your loved ones and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell button.